Good morning, student. I am your Ritesh sir. Today I am going to talk about the nutrition in plant. The first of all, the term nutrition. What is it? For human beings, it will be better to understand the nutrition. I will talk about in next chapter later. But first of all, nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking nutrients. Nutrition is the process of taking nutrients. And what is nutrients? All the good components which help to make healthy us. This is nutrients. So nutrition is the taking the process of nutrition. As I many times told that TION is the process. TION. This is the process of taking nutrients. Now, what are the mode of nutrition? Mode means what? Mode means the way. The way by which we take food is called mode of nutrition. So basically in this section we talk about the autotrophs and heterotrophs. Auto means what? It means the automatic self. You have many appliances in your house: automatic refrigerator, automatic inverter, whatever it is, automatic AC. So like that, the many things, automatic TV or whatever it is, so that we do not go manually to switch on, switch off. It turns to automatic, right? You have seen in your house where is, if you have inverter, then you don't need to go near the inverter to switch on or switch off. It automatically happens. It automatically happens as power comes, the connection of inverter goes off, and as power cut off, supply of current cut off, then automatically inverter gets on. So this is autotrophs. And other, with the help of any other means, some means that if in the mode of nutrition, if plant take any kind of help with any others, then it will be heterotrophs. Now photosynthesis. Photo means what? Photosynthesis means light energy. Photo means light energy. You will be able to know in other classes where we will talk about the what is photon, and then you will understand what is photo. But now you must consider about the photosynthesis. Photo means light energy, and synthesis, it is a process. It is a process by which we make new substance is called synthesis, right? Photosynthesis. Once a student asks, sir, is photosynthesis is physical change or chemical change? Now again I am repeating, photosynthesis is chemical change, because after this change the consumed chlorophyll cannot regain by leaf, because once it consumed, it's get off, or the color of leaf turns into yellow and it's get down. So photosynthesis is a process by which plant prepare their food by own, right? By own. Clear? And here, since photo, it is the light energy, and this light comes from sun. This light comes from sun. We have many lights: tube lights, halogen lights, bulb lights. There are many means of the lights, but they don't have capacity to give energy to plant kingdom to prepare their food. So this is that particular light not come. Only sunlight comes in this process. So this is the process of photosynthesis. How it's happened? Photosynthesis happens in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? It is a green pigment, green color pigment. Pigment means color cell. So in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the process of photosynthesis takes place. In atmosphere, carbon dioxide is present. carbon dioxide is present. As you know, as in your house, see LPG gas is there to make food. For same like that, gas is also here, carbon dioxide. And water molecules which plant takes from earth with the help of root, right? Not only water molecules but minerals also. Okay, carbon dioxide, water molecules, and then in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, then the carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? It is in the form of starch. As you know, I will talk about it in next class. What is the carbohydrate? But in the plant kingdom, it is in the form of starch, and oxygen gas is released. Oxygen gas is released, and then the photosynthesis process is completed, right? Then the photosynthesis process is completed, and then plant get their nutrition. Okay, in next class we will discuss about heterotrophs. Okay, where plant takes nutrition with the help of others. Thank you.